Section 63A of Constitution of Pakistan deals with the defection of the parliamentarian. It was introduced to ensure the member of the parliamentarian's party remain loyal to the party's policies and decisions. As the key breakdown, key provision, ground for disqualification. The sections list the circumstances under which a member of the National Assembly or the Provincial Assembly can be disqualified. This includes the voting against the party directors on important matters such as election of Prime Minister or Chief Minister, vote of confidence or non-confidence, money bill or constitutional amendment bill, party discipline. It empowers the party heads to take action against the members who deprive from party policies. The head of the parliamentary party can declare a member to have a defect and initiate disqualification procedure. If the party head believes a member has defected, they must send a written declaration to Chief Election Commissioner. The Election Commissioner of the Pakistan then decides on the matter. Legal implications, individual versus party loyalty. The sections emphasizes the collective responsibility and the party discipline, often at the cost of individual confidence and judgment. Stability versus dissent. While it aims at prevent political instability and ensure the concrete policy making, it also stiff dissent and debate within parties. Judicial oversight. The role of the judiciary in interpreting and applying the provision is crucial. The courts have been involved in cases where the fairness and the constitutionality of disqualification decisions were challenged. Section 63A plays a crucial role in maintaining parties' discipline. And however, it is raised important questions about the balance between individual autonomy and the collective responsibility within the political parties. Its applications and interpretations continue to shape Pakistan's political landscape.